Morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all are healthy and good. So, in the previous session, we have completed the poem The Rich Kid. Okay, the poem was based on the value of money, and it also teach us that money is ours only when we earn it. And in that poem, there was a little boy is very excited as he feels very rich on finding a quarter. He found some money, 25 cents, in a pay phone. That's why he was very happy. And he means to show to everyone that he is indeed rich. He thinks of buying a baseball but realizes that he does not have enough money to buy it. He considers a rag doll, but it is confused at this tough decision making. He decides to settle for a pizza, but he is still short of money. A bag of onion rings was worth considering, but that did not work either. Having spent half the day looking for something affordable, the little boy admits he is getting bored. He finally thinks he will get himself some chewing gum and then brightly tells us that it is surprising how long a quarter lasts in your hand when you know it is not yours to spend. So that was the poem. Explanation was over, children. Word meaning, question answers, everything is there on the website. You can check it, all the pages on the website. After completing this total 5 chapters in the copy, now today we are going to write the difficult words. Okay, from all the chapters. All together I am going to give the difficult words. So look at on the blackboard, whiteboard and write down in your classwork copy. Here the first word is bellied. Special. Stretch. Fourth one is braces. Excitedly. Delightful. Here space is not there, children, so I am writing here. Okay. Seventh one is screening. Rattling. Next is stubborn. Tenth one is fastened. 11th one is inflated. Next is laughter. Balloon. Buffet. Pirates. Believe. Skillful. Quarter. Hmm. 20th one, gumballs. Children, more are there. First you write that much. So, starting with the first word, all of you look at here. Bellied. B-E-L-L-I-E-D. Bellied. Next one is special. S-P-E-C-I-A-L. Special. Next is stretch. S-T-R-E-T-C-H. Stretch. Fourth one is B-R-A-C-E-S. Braces. Next one is E-X-C-I-T-E-D-L-Y. Excitedly. Okay. Sixth one is D-E-L-I-G-H-T-F-U-L. Delightful. Okay. Seventh one is S-C-R-E-A-M-I-N-G. Screaming. Okay. Eighth one, R-A-T-T-L-I-N-G. Rattling. Ninth one, stubborn. S-T-U-B-B-O-R-N. Stubborn. 10th one is fastened. F-A-S-T-E-N-E-D. Fastened. 11th one is I-N-F-L-A-T-E-D. Inflated. 12th one, A-B-A-N-D-O-N-E-D. Abundant. Next one, L-A-U-G-H-T-E-R. Laughter. 14th one, B-A-L-L-O-N. Balloon. 15th one, B-U-F-F-E-T. Buffet. 16th one, P-I-R-A-T-E-S. Pirates. Clear? 17th one, B-E-L-I-V-E-V-E. Believe. Next one, S-K-I-L-F-U-L. Skillful. 19th one, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter. 20th one, G-U-M-B-A-L-L-E-D. GUMBALLS, gumballs. Children, 10 more words are there. I'm going to erase it and I'll write down another words. So till 20 we have completed. Okay. 10 more words are there. You can continue from there only. Don't write it from the next page. Continue from that page only. So 21 is amazing. Okay. 22 is quite. Next one is swords. 24th is beautiful. Next is wonder. Colorful. Next one is frightening. "28 giant. 29 cattle. And the last one is frolicking. Okay. Up to 20 we have written and 21st here. You can continue from there only. Okay. Don't write from the next page. So 21st is amazing. 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 Next word is quite. 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 Next one is swords. SWORDS. Okay. Next is beautiful. 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 Next is wondered. 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 See here. COLOURFUL. Colorful. Next is FRIGHTENING. Frightening. Next word is giant. 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 Next one is cattle. 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 And the last word is FROLICKING. Frolicking. Clear to you all? So children, after completing your 5th chapter, Rich Kid, word meaning and question answers, you will get on the website. After writing that, you will write this dictation words. Total 30 words are there, and these dictation words are available on the website also. You can check it from there only. Okay, write down clearly and learn all the spellings. These all words are from 1 to 5. 1 to 5 chapters, all the difficult words are there. Total 30 words are there. I have written. You write it after writing the lesson 5. Okay, clear to you all? So children, whatever the copy work you are doing from the website, okay, write with neat and clean handwriting and try to use pencil. Okay, if you have written with a pen, no problem, but try to write with the pencil. And whatever the work you are getting on the website, just go through all the pages. If you are not getting on the first page or second page, just check all the pages, pages English to class 4th. You will get the notes. Okay. So children, we have completed 1 to 5 chapters. That was our first semester portion. Okay, so first semester portion we have completed. After that, in your classwork copy, the last work is difficult words. That I have given 30 words I have given. That difficult words you have to write, and after completing that, you will do the summer assignment in the classwork copy only. Only in the English 2 copy. And the first question of summer assignment is, you have to write 20 pages in your easy writing book. I think you all have got the easy writing book. Let me show this one book. See, this is your easy writing book. Up to page number 1 to 20 you have to complete it. Means 20 pages you have to complete it. Okay? And second question is, you have to write the poem. The first poem was Ferdinand Frog and the Flea. So that poem you have to write in your classwork copy, English 2 copy, and decorate the poem. Okay? Write that poem and decorate it. And writing work you will do in your easy writing book. Okay? Let me show you the poem. See this poem? Ferdinand Frog and the Flea. We have completed no first chapter. This poem till here, starting from the first line and till here last line. This poem, write it in your English 2 classwork copy and decorate it as you like. Okay? Clear? So that was the assignment, and this is and the next assignment is, you have to complete 20 pages in your easy writing book. I think all have got this book. Okay, so 20 pages you have to complete it. Only 2 questions are there. That is your summer assignment. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you all.